Hi, I'm Aparna Ganesh and I welcome you to my channel JoyGeeks. If you're new here, you should know that I am on a mission to really help all of us to feel good and look good inside out, and which is why I create beauty and wellness content here. So today's video is something that I'm doing it for the first time actually. I am going to be sharing all the gifts I've received from brands as PR. I would rather call it gifts. It's very sweet of the brands to acknowledge the work I put in, and I feel wonderful that they're not just looking at numbers, because the brands have told me that they like the production quality, they like the content I create. And I actually share all of this regularly on my Instagram stories. So if you're not following me there, please stay in touch there so that you can see as and when it comes. Now, these are stuff that I've got the last few months that, I am happy to share with you and give you some sort of my thoughts or mini reviews. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, the first one I want to share with you today is from Sigma. This is an empty box I'm showing you because I've kept the products out. Sigma is a brand that I've been wanting to try for so long. I've always heard international bloggers talk about it, the kabuki brush. It's like so well known, and I finally got my hands on them. They've sent me this beautiful brush. It looks really nice, and the sponge, which I think is very, very wonderful. I haven't used this honestly. I've used this, but this I haven't, but I know it's going to be really good just by the feel of it. And the way they've made it, the angles and stuff that they've worked on, is going to be very convenient to work on all the corners, and I really like both these products. And with the kit came this beautiful pouch that I think is really good, because normally when you head out and you want to carry a little brush with you, because you can't keep the sponge in your compact box. So I think this would be very handy for that. So Sigma sent me this. So the next one I'm going to show you is something I got from Huda Beauty. When they were launching their mascara, it's the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. It came in this box, but it says curl and length. On one side it has two sides to it. Yeah, so there are two different things. It's double-ended, but it's not waterproof. From what I can read in it, it's not waterproof, and I generally definitely need waterproof, because for me my eyes are too watery, my eyelids are too oily. So if I don't use waterproof, you'll just see it dribbling down. But when I try this, I will definitely tell you. But from the outside, I think the packaging is ultra cool. I think it's quite funky. So I really like this. Moving on to a brand that I think I've really been loving. It's Disguise Cosmetics. They did send me their lipsticks, all the shades, and I do intend to make a video for you. I love these because this is lead free, and actually that is what I have on my lips right now. I'm wearing the shade Nostalgic Rose. That's what I have on my lips. I think these are very, very comfortable on the lips. It's winter right now, and I have been wearing this for a while. Very comfortable, very lightweight. So that's lovely. This is also the glow stick that they have. I have been trying these out, and if you want me to make a review video of this, let me know. I can do that as well. Why I also like this, because these lipsticks are lead free. They are, paraben free, of course, but lead free is wonderful. Talking of lead free, I have another brand which has sent me their PR. This is Echt Beauty. This is how it came. It came in this pouch, and they sent a beautiful handwritten note. In fact, it's very sweet when brands very lovingly send a lot of the handwritten notes and stuff. We are excited for you to try our lipsticks and our eyeliner. All our products are organic and vegan. So they have these pots. Apart from lipsticks, I'll share with you, they have these pots, which is again multi-purpose. You could use them as a blush, as eyeshadow, and also as lipstick. Okay, this is how their logo looks. If you want something which is, multiple purpose, you could use this. And these are the lipsticks. Actually, there are a few more. This is how their lipsticks look. And to give you a quick mini review, I really like these lipsticks. They are very, very comfortable on the lips. The pigmentation is makhan-like in one swipe. It just works very well. So I do intend to make a video with all their shades, and I think the packaging is looking quite swanky too. They also have this waterproof gel liner, which is wonderful as well. I do intend to make a video of gel liners that I like in black color, and this is how the lipstick box looks. So it's a new brand, it's an upcoming brand, it's a made in India brand. In fact, even Disguise Beauty was a made in India brand. So I'm quite happy to support, you know, these upcoming Indian brands. Talking of upcoming Indian brands, let me also talk about Sapphire Botanicals. It's a facial oil, it's called Glow, and it's meant as a night oil. And I must tell you that I totally love this. In fact, if you look at it, I've almost finished it. I've just kept a little because in some video I would love to demonstrate this for you, because I used it for I think 3 weeks, and this is a smaller bottle, and this is their strip cleansing balm, which is wonderful to take off the makeup. So it's quite nice actually. I like these kind of products because, you know, the smell, it's all plant-based, especially this brand is plant-based. So I totally love it, and they have actually given me a code to share with you all so that you can get some discount. I'll put it on screen. But this is an upcoming brand and I do love it. This is such a beautiful box that Anour sent to me, and you can slide it open like this. Of course, I put other stuff in it now because it's so beautiful. You can recycle this, right? So this is wonderful. But what came inside was really lovely. This is a chocolate lip balm, which I totally fell in love. It's called Choco Caramel. I totally loved this, and they had a green tea slush body scrub. So it's very fresh smelling. I have used it, and yes, it is very fresh and I think very summery. I would love to use this in summers for sure. And they also sent me this coffee, what is this? Choco Caramel lip scrub. It's quite nice as a lip scrub. The smell is beautiful. The box is you know, quite big. It's not a very small one that, you know, you have to dig your finger and it doesn't go through. So I like these. Let me go on. I've got these packed from Lotus Herbals. These are this is a radiant gold and a radiant diamond facial kit. Okay, and also they sent to me, actually the outer boxes, some of them I've discarded, but this is a Pro Bright Illuminating Radiance Cream and Serum. I haven't tried these, to be very honest, but thank you for sending this to me. I will try it, and you know, if I've tried it enough to give you a review, I'll try to do that. Ruby's Organics did send me their foundation along with their foundation brush, and I would say this is a dual-ended brush, very effective, very nice. Even the foundation, I really like it. In fact, that is what I have on my face right now. Very nice on the skin, because you know that it's something healthy on your face, so it definitely feels nice, and I really like this foundation. Please do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. If you hit on that, you'll be ensured that you won't miss a future post. You know, you will get notified. All right, let me quickly show you a beautiful sari that was sent to me. Ajita sent to me. I will share her Instagram. Oof, just look at the sari. Her Instagram account. Such a beautiful sari. I did share it on Insta. It's so pretty, and I really like it. I am waiting for the blouse to get done so that I can actually wear it. Thank you so much, Ajita. I'll add her Insta handle on the screen. The next one is this beautiful bag I got from K Beauty. It had you know, some of their matte Drama by K Beauty lipsticks, and I already made a video featuring these 8 shades. If you haven't seen that, I'll link that up above. I have made a couple of more K Beauty you know, videos, and I've got a few stuff myself so that I'm trying it out, and then I can give you maybe hits and misses of K Beauty or of different brands. You should let me know if you'd like me to do that. Yeah, so that came from K Beauty. Yeah, it had all of these shades, which I have shown in, you know, in that video. So I hope you've checked that out. I do like these lipsticks. Moving to this parcel I got from a brand called Arata. So it has all these stickers that I've reused the box for, but I'll tell you the products that came in it. But even before that, let me tell you what they had written. It says no toxic stuff, plant-powered, clean label recipes are derived from nature, packaged in 100% recycled plastic, safe, highly effective, cruelty-free, sustainable and non-toxic. So I'll tell you the product that they sent to me. They sent to me their toothpaste, a face wash, and an absolutely wonderful lip balm. There is a face moisturizer apart from these two, and the lip balm. I think that this lip balm is one of the best that I have used because it's so intensely hydrating. The face wash has a little granules. It feels like it's a scrub midway. So face wash, I would have preferred if they had made it either a full scrub or a simple face wash. But apart from that, these I like. The moisturizer I haven't tried enough, so I can't comment on that. The next one are these beautiful nail colors that Nykaa and Masaba's collaboration brought out, and they sent to me these. And I have used a couple of other colors, and I do share it on Instagram. I do love Masaba, nail colors anyway. I have shown this in another nail color video. I featured a lot of the colors, and most of them turned out to be Masaba and Nykaa nail colors. If you haven't seen that, I'll paste the link above. And Nykaa also came up with this beautiful new launch, which is their new nail paints. It's called Breathable. It has a lot of features, like it actually lets your nail paints breathe and stuff. And I actually really like the colors because, as you can see, a lot of pastels. And in fact, what I have on my fingernails is one shade from this. That's Let It Go. I really like this, and I do love all of these colors. I'm waiting to also try this white out. Actually, there was a time when I was in college where I used to wear so many whites. I like the lavender. I love this powder blue, and I like that they have this breathable written. It's a different styling, so you can identify these nail paints from the rest. So this is what Nykaa sent to me. Thank you. And I'm going to show you one product here. This is a brand called Goli soda in Chennai, and this is what the soap bars look like. This is a face wash bar. I've been using it for, I think, more than 2 weeks now, and I think I really like it. And they also have the same looking makeup brush cleanser, and I think it works really well because just think about it. If we only use bars, it would just eliminate so much of the plastic, right? So this brand is really going in for sustainable beauty, and it's actually nice. It's just that you need to work out, storage of it, and you need to work out different colors or shapes so that you can identify what's from what. But I do appreciate this brand. I like both the products. I will share all the details in the description box. Again, right in the middle of all the cosmetic products, I want to share with you this beautiful diary that OddGiraffe sent to me. It is a wellness diary. It says feel all the feelings, and I had shared this again on Insta. I will try to share whatever I had posted on Insta as well. It has all these details, right from what you drink, when you relax, your activities, your feelings and your goals. I like that they also have these stickers here. So you can use it to make your diary look, it's more fun. As you saw earlier that I do like stickers. And you can track how much water you're drinking, how you're feeling each day, things to do. And they have also given me a code for y'all, so that if you want this, you can have a discount. This is meal planning, and take a break, shake it off. You have segments for a lot of those things. I like this section as well. See, how are you feeling? Did you get enough sleep? Did you eat healthy? Did you exercise? So if you do manage to track this, I think it would be nice, because you'll know what is going wrong in your daily routine. So that would help in that way. Of course, I got this whole hamper from Loreal because I was a part of Next Up and I did feature that. If you haven't seen that video, just check that out. I'm not featuring all those products here because that would become too much. But Loreal separately, apart from the Next Up thing, did send me their serum, which I believe is a huge hit. Amongst all my other friends, they totally love this. I have honestly not tried this yet. And also they sent me another crystal essence, which I totally love, which is lying at my vanity. Of course, I am thankful for all these brands to send me stuff and also to acknowledge my work. It means a great deal to me because I don't want to be restricted just by numbers. Having said that, I do want you to subscribe and I do want the numbers to grow because it is a proof in some way as well. So yes, please do subscribe if you haven't already. And if you like these kind of videos, let me know. I will make them in future as well. More than my pleasure. So there must be more videos on your screen right now. Go ahead, watch them. Let me know what else you'd like to watch. See you.